Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to English class. This time your friends from the second OTKP would like to describe procedural, how to make toast bread, spaghetti, iced tea, and banana nugget. Okay, let's see your friend's presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, we are from the second class of OTKP. My name is Tadika. My name is Diana. My name is Umila. My name is Fasir. Would like to describe about procedural, how to make toast bread, spaghetti, banana nugget, and iced tea. How to make toast bread. For toast bread, we use the ingredients are 2 slices of bread, butter, topping of your choice. And here we use cheese and chocolate. And how to make it? First, prepare 2 slices of bread. Second, spread butter on one side of the bread. Then add the toppings into the bread. Turn on the stove to heat the 5 slices of bread. And then toast the bread on the hot pan. Toast the both sides of the bread until it turns brown. Turn on the stove, then leave the bread. After the bread is cooked, stir with the coffee and milk. And then toast is ready to be served. Thank you. Banana nugget. We use the ingredients are 1 kilogram banana tanduk, breadcrumbs, 3 tablespoons flour, 2 egg whites, 2 tablespoons crushed Oreo cookies, cooking oil, salt, concentrated milk, and cheese. Instruction. First, put banana inside the crush banana gently with milk powder until the syrup turns into rectangle cut. Cook the banana respectively with flour, egg wash, and then breadcrumbs. One fry with the cooking oil from making it.